Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I think I mentioned this in one of my other videos. It's a treatment for rusty metal, and it converts the rust into something that's not rust. I won't get into the chemistry of it. It turns black and then you can paint over it or whatever. I got it because I had a few rusty places on my Corvette that I wanted to make them look a little bit better, and it's also good for like around the house. Out in the back I've got a diving board on the pool, and the diving board base has gotten rusty, as you can imagine, so I'm going to try it on that too. But anyway, get yourself a glass container and pour some of it off into the glass. It does say don't breathe it, don't touch it, don't do anything. So it's phosphoric acid, whatever that is, but it's nasty. So I'm going to pour some in the glass. I'm going to just use an old brush, and I'm going to paint it on a couple of clamps on my exhaust system underneath the car. Okay? So these are the parts that I'm interested in right here. And if you look closely, you can see some of it did start to turn black. I applied this one time. Here you can see it on the other one. But you do need more than one coat sometimes, just depending on the rust or maybe how thick the rust is or something. So I'm going to give it another coat. I might even give it 2 more coats. So I'm going to need 2 hands, but I explained to you. I'm just going to brush it on straight from the glass container. All right, there, I got it all coated on there. It takes a while to turn black, and I really need to get this car back together, so I'm probably not going to wait very long to do another coat. But I'll go around the other side of it and put some on the other side of those clamps. Here's the other side of these. So I'm just going to finish this up. And I'll put a link if you want to try it out. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and see you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Be safe. Have fun.